Welcome to Damasha's automatic perfume vacuum filling production line. Our equipment ensures efficiency and precision for every perfume bottle. Starting with the 6-head perfume filling machine, bottles are automatically conveyed to the filling station, enabling simultaneous precision filling for 6 bottles. After filling, the bottles move to the manual spray head loading area, where workers quickly place the spray heads for the next capping process. Next, the bottles go through the automatic spray head capping machine, ensuring every spray head is securely fastened for quality and consistency. Finally, the bottles pass through the middle cap capping machine, completing the sealing process. The finished perfume bottles are neatly conveyed to the terminal for packaging and delivery. Welcome to visit and collaborate with us.